Hello, hi everyone. This is Aditya from Technovas, and today we are back with you guys to learn about a new topic. So, in your normal programming, you always come up with a comparison in between object, or say like a comparison between list. So, there are like multiple ways to do it. So, today we will learn about how many different types of equality operations work in JavaScript. And for that we will primarily start with these three. The first one is equality, which is known as double equals. Second one is strict equality, which is known as triple equals. And the third one is type-of. So again, starting with all these three, I will give you a demo of how this works practically, then you can try it on your own. So I have already created a project on GitHub and will share the link of it with all of you, so you guys can also try. For example, here I am creating a new class called equality.js. So within this class, again what I do, I took a normal example where I declare a variable a and I also declare a variable b. And after that I will try to print it using the equality operator and we'll see what it gives to us. So this is a code which I have written so far. So if we see this, we have a one variable called a, which is a 5 and type of integer. We have second variable b, which is also 5, but it is showing 5 in a string. So if I just compare it like this, for this I need to run command node, and I've created it in a separate folder called equality, then again equality.js. So if I run it, then I will get true. So we are getting true because when we are comparing this, what happens, there is a internal type comparison happens for b, which converts it from a string to integer. So that's why we are getting it here like this. Now we will go on to the super equality type. So for super equality also, I will give you a similar example, and before that we need to create a file for this. So I created a super equality.js file, and again if I just take this code as a reference, here I just need to replace it with my triple equality operator like this. For this kind of super equality, there is no internal type comparison, and if I try to run this, then I would be getting false as there is no type conversion. So this type conversion is also known as type coercion. So if you guys heard about these terms, so don't get confused. And the third one which we have is type-of operator. It is used to find the type of a variable. If there is no variable assigned, then it will display undefined. So for this also, I will give you a live example. I will create a similar JS class for this, typeof.js. And for this I will take two variables, variable a and variable b. And for variable a, I will just declare it, will not assign it to any value, and for variable b, I just assign it null for your reference. Now the first thing that I will do is, like, if I were to show you that how type-of is come within type-of operator is a little bit different. So for example, see this console.log type of a equals to undefined. So I believe most of you guys will be thinking that this will comes out to be true, but no, it won't be the case. And the reason for this is primarily the type of A is written as undefined within string quotes, not like this. So even if I just have to print it, so I will copy this. Now I will rerun this again. I have not saved it, so just saved it. We will rerun it. So you can see like it's undefined, but it is giving me false as a response. But if I change it to something like this, then it would be true. And similarly we can do this for exact comparison also. So see, the by default type of A returns undefined in this format if no any other type is assigned to it. And in a similar manner, for type of A we are getting undefined. If I try to do it for type of B, in that case I would be getting it as an object. See this? There is again one more interesting thing with this. It's if I try to do console.log for any inherited or custom type, then what happens? It always gives me object as a return type. So see this braces as an object and this array kind of object. So again for JavaScript and this type of operator, it will return it always it as a object. See this. Save it first. Okay. So see, for all of my 3 types of operators, it is coming as an object. So this is Aditya from TechNots. Now I'm signing off. I hope you will learn something new today, and do subscribe and follow our channel on YouTube. Bye.